Hello, in this video we are going to go over how to calculate the lower and upper fences for a set of data to determine if there are any outliers. To calculate the lower and upper fences, we are going to go to Data, Compute, Expression. And in the expression box here, we are going to type Q1 of whatever the column is that we're trying to compute the lower fence for. In this case, I'm going to use the at-bat column, so AB, minus 1.5 times the interquartile range of that column. And then hitting compute will give us that value, which in this case is a negative number, but what can you do? Negative 380. For the upper fence, this will change to a Q3 of that column plus 1.5 times the interquartile range of that column. And then hitting compute will give us that value, which is 764 for this data set. Thank you.